Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo setting, and today video title is guys how to set TalkBack mode in iqoo. Friends, you want to use TalkBack mode, you want to on TalkBack in iqoo. So friends, now let's see how to on TalkBack and how to use TalkBack one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before start the video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, in your iqoo, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo. Friends, in your iqoo, scroll down here. Open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After turn on phone shortcut and accessibility setting, how to set TalkBack mode and how to use TalkBack setting in iqoo. Scroll down here and friends, open your phone accessibility setting. TalkBack setting friends, click here and you want to use TalkBack, so you can on TalkBack friends, click here allow option, you can on TalkBack and you can use it. After turn on TalkBack friends, if you click here your back button, so you cannot use back button, double tap here continue, then you can use back button. Then friends, click here home button and double tap here, you can use home button. If you click here menu button, double tap here, you can check your recent app. Use your two finger, you can close your recent app, and use your two finger tap here, you can open your recent app. Friends, if you use one finger, you cannot close your recent app and you cannot open your recent app with one finger. Double tap continue and use your two finger and you can use it. So once left side, click here back button, one tap, double tap continue, you can scroll up. So friends, you can swipe up and you can scroll down here with two finger. One finger you cannot scroll down here and you cannot swipe up. Use your two finger and you can use it. So like that friends, you can use iqoo TalkBack setting, you can set TalkBack mode and you can use. So when the person who is blind, they use TalkBack with sound. So friends, when I will on YouTube app, when I will tap on YouTube, so friends, I can use YouTube sound. Double tap, you can on YouTube app and you can use it. One tap, double tap, you can remove your YouTube app with two finger. Recent app you want to use, you can check and you can close your recent app with two finger. Friends, again open your phone setting with double tap and scroll down here. After scroll down friends, open your device shortcut and accessibility setting, double tap continue. Again scroll down here and open your phone accessibility setting, double tap continue. TalkBack setting, double tap here. Use TalkBack, double tap. Stop button, double tap. TalkBack off. TalkBack off. Now friends, you can use your iqoo without TalkBack setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.